Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and welcome to this Friday Tales from the Crypto version of Crypto Love. Yeah, it reminds me of like a sleepover, like a Friday night when I was like 10 years old, getting all psyched because we would have a sleepover, we get pizza, we get to play Dungeons and Dragons and video games, and it's the best thing ever, and my life just isn't as fun now. But I get to go out, meet some girls, maybe kissy kissy and all that fun stuff. So, today's episode, we are going to be talking about how I called the Bitcoin bottom recently, and how I called the top, and what I'm going to look for to know when it bottoms yet again. Furthermore, that's not all, because I like action-packed episodes. I want to pack as much stuff in there for you. If it was fudge, you wouldn't call me a fudge packer. Nope. But anyways, the second thing we're going to be talking about, and there's no editing in this video either, the second thing we're going to be talking about is why the price is likely to crash in a few days. So, first things first, we'll talk about why the price is likely to crash. You see, Tom Lee, he was in the news. He says Bakkt is to improve trust with institutions in crypto in 3 days. That's right. Just 3 days. September 23rd. That's when it's happening, because that's when I said it's going to happen. In case you guys don't remember, you could go back to those videos that I made, the 3-part videos, why Bitcoin price will crash by September 6th. But that was only a joke, because in part 2 is by the 23rd, which is coming up in 3 days. And then part 3 was just the real joke, because I was just, you guys got all butthurt that I said the price will crash by September 23rd. You guys got all butthurt, so I made a video about it. But I think September 23rd, that day is coming soon. So, why will the price crash? Well, because, remember what happened the last time? You see, the market oftentimes does opposite of what people think. These bullseyes, okay? Bullseye up here, people thought the price was going up forever. Price crashed down. That was the last time futures were launched, okay? Then, right here, people thought 6,000 is the bottom. I mean, look at this. It's freaking flat. It's the bottom. $6,000 a bottom, and then boom, price dropped through the floor. And then down here, everybody was like, Tone Vase, Tyler Jenks, price is going down to $1,200, $1,500. And boom, price goes all the way up. And furthermore, right now, when I said price will probably crash, people get all butthurt. They're like, it's not going to crash. It's not. Well, guess what? When there is a descending triangle, like we have here, oftentimes it flips to the downside, which will mean the price will come down. Go down. The price will come down. That's my thoughts on things. I'm not professional. I just do this stuff as a hobby. I just do this stuff for fun. I mean, freaking look at me. I have a freaking like Tales from the Crypt episode. You think I know what I'm doing? No. But anyways, I make it entertaining sometimes. Now, that's why the price is going to crash coming up. But you guys want to know how to know when the bottom will be here, because I want to know that shit too. I also want to know, how on earth did I know where the top was? Oh my goodness. Well, if you take a look, you see the top right here. If we take a look at the weekly MACD, so we put this on the week, we have the MACD, which is the 1226.9, but it's going by weekly. Guess what? When we have a tangent to the line, okay, doing a little bit of calculus there, when the curve reaches the tangent, that inflection point, guess what, of the blue line, mind you, okay, the MACD, not the signal line, that is the top. And I knew it. I made a video right there. In case you guys don't believe me, I made a video right there. Bitcoin indicator shows 90% crash ahead. And I made that way back right around here, okay, in July. I made that video there, and everybody in the comments was like, you don't know what you're talking about. The price is going up. You're a retard. You're ugly. I hate you. You talk like a moron. Beards are for lumberjacks. And guess what? Price hasn't reached it. I called that right around $14,000, and guess what? The price hasn't reached there yet. It may come back, but not likely. Now, furthermore, I also called this whim-dang thingy right there, that blue Bitcoin right there. I called that one too. Now, granted, I didn't call it right there. I called it right here. But still, the bottom. And you're saying, how did you call it with such accuracy? Well, taking a look at the MACD again, the blue line, again, the tangent where it hits the straight line where it bounces off that inflection point, that is generally around where the price turns. So that happened, and yes, I did. I made a video, okay? This was way back then in March, Bitcoin bottom found. And the same thing in that video. Everybody was like, you're wrong. You don't know what you're talking about. It's going down. Tone Vase says it's going down to $1,500. It's going down to $1,500. You're a retard. You don't know how to trade or markets or anything. And so, yeah. So anyways, right after that, just like I said, the bottom was found and the price went up fourfold. That's a lot. Even more than four. Almost fivefold the price went up. So, what am I looking for this time? And where did I get this idea of looking at the blue tangential inflection of the MACD? Well, I took a look. You know, history repeats itself. Or if it doesn't repeat itself, it at least rhymes. So I took a look back here. Boom, right there. If you would have sold Bitcoin back then, you would have been pretty darn happy. Now, granted, it wasn't $20,000, but it was $17,000. $17,500, right where the blue line inflects on the tangential plane. If you just look at the weekly, that's all you have to do. So what am I doing to know when the bottom is back in again? Well, I'm looking for the tangential inflection of the blue line to the downside. Simple as that. So that answers the question for that, for the video today. I had that idea. I wanted to do that video for you guys, see if you would get something from it. Now, furthermore, I made a couple videos the other days. The past couple days I've been talking about this. I've been playing around with this, having a lot of fun with this thing called tap trading. It turns out that if you tap trade, you're on average, 8 times less likely to lose than if you trade regularly. Like if you trade cryptos, you have a 95% chance of losing. If you tap trade cryptos, guess what? You have a 8 times 40, a 60% chance of losing. Okay, that's a lot less than 95. But if it's a highly volatile market, which generally happens between noon and 4 p.m. Eastern time, guess what? You could have up to a 70-some chance of winning, only a 30-some chance of losing. Pretty badass. So watch those 2 videos. And I've been messing around with stuff, okay? So if you want to tap trade and you haven't done it yet, I'll put the link down in the description. You can click on that link. It's an affiliate link, helps me out. But also that's how you download the tap trading. You can even try it out if you live in some places that usually don't allow crypto stuff. But I've been messing around with it today, mixing, a few different things. First, I got a premium TradingView account. Now, granted, this is expensive. It normally is $60 a month. However, if you contact them and be like, hey, I don't know, you give them some bullshit story, guess what? They'll give you 50% off. $30 a month, the same price that other people pay for Pro, you could get premium. Furthermore, if you trial a premium account and then you cancel it, it'll say, hey, we'll give it to you 50% off. So, boom, 2 ways to get it. Or the third way, just wait till Black Friday. Okay, so those are 3 ways where you can get premium for $30. But what I've been doing is I've been mixing the premium with Market Cipher. Okay, so this is Crypto Faces product, and basically just looking at a couple things, looking at these green dots mixed with green dots down on the Market Cipher B, and then also the red X's and the big red diamonds. Okay, so I've been messing around with that and been doing pretty good when the market is going up or down. That's why I have these moving averages here, the 75 and 152nd moving averages. Now, when it's going sideways, I just don't trade. But when it's going up, I buy. When it's going down, I sell. Still testing this out. I don't know if it's really good, but I'm messing around with it. Wanted to share with you guys because it seems to be pretty decent. Okay, especially if you get like 2 buy signals, like a green up here and a green down here, a green in A and a green in B, and then yeah, you sell it. So, anyways, I'm testing it. I'll let you know how it goes further. Thank you guys for watching. Also, make sure you check out the Monarch wallet. Hold Bitcoin and 3,000 cryptocurrencies on it. Also earn up to 10% interest on there. Also, they have Monarch Pay, so world's first recurring decentralized payments. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys later. Have an awesome Friday. Go have a sleepover, play Dungeons and Dragons and stuff like that. And yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Peace, peace.